my name's Phil. This is my 69 plate GTi TCR. I've had the car for 3 weeks now, and I've brought it over to the Revo Performance Centre for some stage 2 treatment. That takes it from 290 PS up to 400 PS and over 500 Newton meters of torque. My previous vehicles, I've just come from a BMW M2 competition, which was about 410 PS. It was a standard car, but it did have some suspension upgrades. So yeah, I just want to get this TCR up to the same level of performance, and after that first drive I can safely say that it is very, very quick, very responsive. The torque is just insane. Just really pleased with it, and the engine bay looks absolutely brilliant as well. It's quite a high spec car, which is what I was looking for when I got it. I didn't want the pan roof because of the additional weight and rumoured problems. It has got the Akrapovic exhaust, which is a nice upgrade. I really wanted a car with that on. Being a 69 plate, it is a OPF car. When I was researching the tunes and obviously having experience with Revo, it was a no-brainer to do this, and the results are just fantastic. It's just a different car. It's a bit of an animal, and I look forward to meeting some M2s on the road. So plans for this car then, it's my daily kind of driver at the moment. I use it for work, I use it for pleasure, fun drives on the weekend, do some track days as well. So now that I've got the power sorted, I think the plans are suspension, Revo brakes, and potentially an oil catch can at some point in the future. So yeah, what made me choose the TCR? Well, I wanted a car that would hold its value. I really like the look of the TCR. The tuning potential on these is incredible. I've previously had a Golf R, which was Revo Stage 1 tune, and as soon as you have that tune, it just wakes the car up, and it is how they should have left the factory. So getting the Revo tune on this was just a no-brainer. So I brought it down for the Stage 2 tune. We also did the engine and transmission mounts at the same time. Really good upgrade. You can tell that they're on. It reduces the wheel hop when you're trying to put the power down. Just trying to make the most of that new power, really. But for now, I'm just going to enjoy it as it is because it's an absolute beast.